Getting out of credit card debt and private student loan debt are two of the primary advantages of hiring an attorney to handle your debt settlement. I will take you through the reasons to hire a debt settlement lawyer in Los Angeles so that you can see if it is the right move for your particular financial situation. You can read some of my client success stories. The link is in the description below. Getting out of debt and saving money are the fundamental reasons to hire a debt settlement lawyer in Los Angeles. For instance, my client owed Citibank $8,410. In one phone call, and negotiated a debt settlement and reduced her total debt to $1,850. That's a savings of 75% of the total debt due. Getting out of credit card debt and student loan debt, improving your long-term credit score, ending debt collector harassment, debt lawsuit defense, and saving money are the main reasons to hire a debt settlement lawyer in Los Angeles. When I'm asked, do I need a debt settlement attorney, the simple answer is, there is no simple answer. If you haven't been able to make your credit card payments in over 180 days, if your credit card or student loan debt is in default, and or you're being sued by your lender, then most likely the answer is yes. A debt settlement is a negotiation between you, the borrower, and the debt collector that you will pay back and often greatly reduce the amount of total debt in a lump sum or over a period of time. A debt settlement can usually be reached once your credit card account is in default, when you haven't made payment in 180 days, because at this point your loan is considered unlikely to be paid back. That doesn't mean you don't still owe them full amount of the debt. You very much do. At this point, the banks can receive tax benefits on your debt, even though you owe them every dime and will most likely be sued to recover the debt. As I recently wrote about, it's not just credit card borrowers who enjoy the benefits of hiring a debt settlement lawyer, but student loan borrowers as well. What happens if you default on a student loan is very similar to defaulting on a credit card debt if the student loan is not a federal loan. Here are a few benefits of hiring a debt settlement lawyer. A debt relief lawyer has the negotiation skill to deal with the experienced attorneys that represent the big banks. The debt collectors have vast resources of lawyers at their fingertips to do nothing but sue people all day, every day for debt. You need to make sure you have a lawyer for debt negotiation and settlement. If you are sued for non-payment of debt, then you need a debt defense lawyer to defend you in a collection lawsuit. If you hire a debt settlement company instead of a real attorney, then you have no help in defending a collection lawsuit. On top of paying the debt settlement company, you will have to pay an attorney to defend you in a collection lawsuit. Your goal in a debt settlement should not just be to get out of debt, but also to save money. As my clients will tell you, the savings I offer them on their debt far outweighs my attorney's fees. I make it a practice to offer my clients the most competitive fees that I can get away with. A debt settlement lawyer can validate your debt, which is the first step in defending a debt collection lawsuit. Oftentimes, data snafus in the lawsuit filed, such as a wrong number, address, or dollar amount, can get the lawsuit dismissed. Much of the time, whoever you borrowed money from in the first place has sold your debt to a debt buyer to collect. A debt settlement attorney who has built relationships in the industry will have much easier time navigating the chain of ownership involved with your debt. Debt settlement lawyers are held to ethical standards under the law. They have a legal obligation to put your needs above theirs. This is not the case with debt settlement companies, who often get caught up in scams preying on people who are already in a vulnerable position. If you're still wondering why you should hire a debt settlement lawyer in Los Angeles, then give me a call at 213-315-0050. I offer a 100% free consultation to go over your specific debt issues and map out a plan to get you out of debt. My debt settlement lawyer fees are customized to meet your financial needs. Once you hire a lawyer for your debt settlement, your phone will stop ringing from debt collectors and all correspondence from the debt collectors will now go through your lawyer. If you're in need of debt help, the time to get started is now. The debt collectors are well prepared to sue you and win if you don't have a solid legal defense. Hiring a Los Angeles debt settlement attorney could be the smartest move you make in getting out of debt.